A ride in the 2014 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, driver, knee, keyless entry, sync, satellite communications, cruise control, child safety locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.